Kidz Land.
Hello kids, today we will know our festivals. In India, there are different festivals we celebrate. So, let's know them. Republic Day. We celebrate this festival on 26th January. Independence Day. We celebrate this festival as our Independence Day on 15 August after got independent in 1947. Diwali or Deepavali. We also call this a festival of lights. Dasahra. Holi. This is also called the festival of colors. So, we play with colors in this festival. Eid. This is a festival of Muslims. Christmas. This is a festival celebrated by Christians. Janmashtami. We celebrate this festival as the birth of Lord Krishna. Guru Parva. This festival is celebrated by Sikhs and they celebrate this festival as Guru Nanak's birthday. Maha Ratri. We celebrate this festival as Lord Shiva's birthday. Ganesh Chaturthi. We celebrate this festival as Lord Ganesha's birthday. Durga Puja. We worship Ma Durga on this festival. Rath Yatra. Lohri. Lohri is the festival of Sikhs. Rakshabandhan. This is the festival of brother and sister. Pongal. Thank you. Keep learning and subscribe my channel for more videos. Bye bye.